Good morning. Today's screencast will be dealing with how to access your grades in the virtual learning environment. Please know that this is not a direct reflection of your exact mark, but simply a suggested mark in the level form as to roughly what you have in the class. Your exact mark will be calculated in another program and you will get an exact number, not a level, at the end of the course on your report card. So, to stay on task and to see how you're doing, you go to Assignments, then Grades, and a list of assignments and quizzes and discussion posts will be given to you in the summary form and what you received on each respective assessment. So please know, if you have any zeros, you should look into asking why you have a zero and how you get rid of the zero, because as many of you know, when marking with a rubric, there are 4 categories, and this is a 0 times 4 entries, which is 0 4 times. So please stay on task. Please use this as a guide as to what you've been receiving on your assignments. And if you have any questions, please feel free to email me at paulgabriel@mytoolstogo.ca. Keep up the good work.